Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to turn off Smart Shuffle on Spotify. Smart Shuffle on Spotify mixes recommended songs into your playlists based on your listening habits. While this can help you discover new music, some users prefer to listen only to songs they have added. To turn off Smart Shuffle, open the Spotify app. Play any song or playlist. You will see the shuffle icon. Just click on it. Keep in mind that Smart Shuffle is only available if you have Spotify Premium. If you do not have Premium, Smart Shuffle will remain off. If you have Spotify Premium and want to turn off Smart Shuffle, just click on Smart Shuffle and toggle it off. If Smart Shuffle keeps turning back on, make sure your Spotify app is updated to the latest version. In some regions or app versions, Smart Shuffle may be enabled by default and needs to be turned off each time. And that's it. We just learned what Smart Shuffle does on Spotify and how to turn it off to listen to your playlist without recommendations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial videos.